In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Notion. Simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Whether you're organizing your thoughts for a new project, brainstorming ideas, or planning your goals, mind mapping is a wonderful tool to help you visualize and structure your creativity. And with Notion, you'll find that setting up a mind map is both easy and flexible. Let me guide you through these straightforward steps to make your own mind map. We'll begin with creating a new page in Notion. If you're new to Notion, think of a page as your digital canvas. It's where everything will happen, and it's where you'll build your mind map from the ground up. To create a new page, simply navigate to your sidebar and click on the Add a Page option. Give your page a title that reflects the theme of your mind map. This will not only help you identify it later, but also align your focus from the get-go. Next, we'll move on to using toggle lists to represent branches on your mind map. In traditional mind mapping, branches extend outward from the central idea to organize related topics. In Notion, toggle lists are perfect for this because they allow for expandable content. To create one, choose the toggle list function from your block options. Then write down your main ideas as branches. The beauty of toggle lists is that they keep your page organized, allowing you to hide or reveal content as needed, which is excellent as your map becomes more detailed. Once you've established your branches, it's time to delve into details by nesting subpages for deeper ideas. This step is particularly useful for layers of information that are too extensive for the toggle lists alone. Simply create a subpage under a specific toggle list to expand upon an idea. Think of this as diving deeper into your thoughts without cluttering the main page. Notion's ability to seamlessly nest pages is pivotal in keeping your mind map neat and manageable. Finally, let's use colors and callouts to highlight connections. Colors and callouts in Notion are akin to underlining passages in a book. They allow certain aspects to stand out and draw your attention. By assigning colors to either text or blocks, you can differentiate categories or connections between different branches, which can help you quickly identify patterns and relationships. Similarly, using callouts can highlight important notes or insights. They are a great feature for emphasizing key points or highlighting to-dos that require your attention. And there you have it. By creatively using Notion's features like pages, toggle lists, subpages, colors, and callouts, you can create a mind map that is both visually appealing and functionally brilliant. Take your time exploring these features and adapt them as you see fit to best suit your personal or professional needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy mind mapping in Notion.